In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight the active cell, row, and column in Excel. Let's open an Excel document. This is a multi-column table that I have taken as an example. As you can see here, this is a big workbook. Sometimes you may find yourself lost here as you cannot find the cell in which you are working. In this case, you can use this trick to pinpoint your working cell location. Select the data that you want to highlight while working. In the menu bar, click on Conditional Formatting. In the drop-down menu, click on New Rule. In the Rule Type option, select the last one. Now you have to write your formula. In this formula bar, type the formula showing on the screen, or I will add the formula to the description also. You can copy the formula from there. After typing the formula, click on Format. Go to the Fill tab and select a color of your liking. Click on OK and OK again. Go to Conditional Formatting again. In the drop-down, click on Manage Rules. In here, duplicate the rule. Double-click on the first rule. Go to Format and select another color. Now, in the first part of the formula, delete OR. Type AND in its place. Click on OK and OK again. Right-click on your current sheet. In the pop-up, click on View Code. Change the page from General to Worksheet. Here, type target.calculate. Now close the code page. If you want to save your workbook, you should see a pop-up like this. From here, click on Save. Here, you can see that wherever I press or select a cell, that active cell, row, and column highlight automatically.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.